cover, Dirty Berry are here, reminding you to keep your island clean. What you have in jungle?
Right about now, garbage is going inside of the roadside, the gullies, the beaches, and even in a people heart.
No. My heart ever clean. I live in El Night. Make my heart busting up on a thing named disposal. Basically, when you are doing the right thing by recycling, reducing, reusing, separating, and composting, you saw whatever little dirty waste skimmage left back, make sure say you bag and bin it. Government alone can't do all of this. On the same hand, hold them accountable and make sure say your trash is getting collected regularly. Cause the ZV mosquito know for there the front of your yard get the edge bombs. You see, if you're not near a bin, nobody fling it, dash it, wheel it, throw it, burn it, or left it on the ground. Jim screen cheating in your purse or your knapsack and then dispose of it when you reach your yard. Yes, we must get the message now. My dream, from the young to the old. And you see the next time when somebody asks you, you can't stop, skin your teeth and say, in a one of this.